Friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video we are looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of August the 25th to the 31st, last week of August, coming to a close of the summer. First thing we're going to look at are two different boosters. We have a 10 back when you spend 45. Only one of my store cards got it, and then both of my store cards got this guy, and it's kind of a weird one, but I think it's similar to the Crest one the week previous. $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy selected 3 Old Spice products, and it's valid that specific week as well. Make sure you load both of them. We have some coupon codes that are going to be ongoing next week to save an extra 15% when you spend 35 with the code AUG15, and then an extra 20 with the code AUG20 when you spend 50. So that is nice to see that those are back in the mix. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, August the 25th. So just keep that in mind. A lot of these deals possibly might not work out, but I think most of them will. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really help me out if you take a quick second and like the video. Helps out the channel and the video to make sure that this doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. Take a second and like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, first deal we're going to talk about is these candies that are 2 for $4. So it is the 100 Grand Butterfingers Crunch and Baby Ruth. Right through now to Halloween, there's going to always be a treat of the week, and Walgreens is the place to really stock up on these candies. Okay, so as this is the week of Labor Day, lots of deals are geared towards a nice cookout, a nice summer finale, and we have the BOGO free on the Doritos and the Lay's chips. We're definitely going to look at a coupon code deal with this on Monday with the curbside offers, but yeah, this is going to be really, really good. And if you're a really big soda drinker, we have 3 for $12.99 on the different Pepsi products. If you think about it, a 12-pack would be $9.99. That's some tremendous savings right there. It's a little bit cheaper. Nice to see for all the soda drinkers. First deal that we're going to look at is the Dove shampoo, 4 to 10. So it's the Dove or Tresemme. We have a $5 digital and then $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Now I know that Dove shampoo was really big the last couple of weeks, and it was really harder to find the shampoo, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be back in stock. So 2 of the Doves, the cheaper ones at $4 a pop, will be 8. Subtracting that digital coupon, and I'm guessing it's a 5 off 2 because that's what it's been for most of like August and July. You would pay 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making this a freebie. And a $2 money maker. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You might get some extra points for progressive, like spend 20 on Unilever, get back 5,000 points for Fetch. And Sunday, we'll have to see what that coupon is. Is a 5 off a 2 or 5 off 3? I don't know at this point. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're looking at the fancier $5 Crest toothpaste. Definitely open up that IBOTTA app or the $2 rebates attaching. If you can get 2 to attach and get $4 back, this is a money maker. So we're looking for the $5 ones. You're going to grab 3 of them for $5. Now, I think that 6 off of 4 was the digital from the week previous. So if you didn't use it, you'll pay 9. Get back $6 register reward, making it $3 for the 3 or $1 per Crest. Now, Ibotta has 2 different $2 rebates. One's for gum and one's for a different one. It's like fancier. If those attach, you possibly can get $4, and this will be a money maker for you. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, if you're just doing this deal on its own. But definitely open up Ibotta and see what is and is not attaching, because this is possibly a money maker and a freebie. Now we're looking at the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos for $9 a pop. We have $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 and a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those shampoos for $18, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $13. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $8 for 2 or $4 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but a great little deal either way. I mean, make it happen, guys. We love that Love Beauty and Planet, and it's a very expensive shampoo. Now on to the next. We have 2 for $8. When you spend $10, you're getting back a $3 register reward. Now, if both Fructis and Whole Blends both have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, here is the deal. Here is the breakdown shakedown for this. 4 of those Garnier shampoos, a mix of Fructis and whole blends, 2 of each is 16. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, if we get digitals for both, that'll be $10 you'll pay. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7 for the 4 or $1.75 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another deal is with the Axe sprays. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Plus, Fetch Rewards has like progressives of spend 20, get back 5,000. So if you want to get one of these body sprays, here's the deal. Grabbing 2 of these sprays, it's going to be $14.58. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.08 for the 2 or $3.54 per spray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're using this deal with no booster. And a lot of us that did different Fetch Rewards, you know, the Dove deodorant, this might get you to the 5,000 points if you have that rebate of spend 20, get back 5,000, and it's on Unilever body products, and this is one of them. Okay, now we're looking at a deal on Old Spice, $5 reward when you buy 3, plus a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. For a lot of the fancier Old Spice deodorants, there's a $2 back on each, which you can do up to 3 times with IBOTTA. So that gives you $6 back. So double, triple check that you have this rebate and scan all the items when you're in the store. Grabbing 3 of these deodorants around $8.49-ish. That'll be $21.97. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $16.97. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $11.97. Photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. So it makes it $5.97 for the 3 or $1.99 per dry spray or deodorant. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We have the 4 for $10 on the second tier Downy, Tide, P&G laundry care, so you can mix and match. I think for that Gain softener, there might be a dollar digital coupon, so you might want to load up on that one. And also the Tide Simply, if that's your thing, definitely stock up for this price. The all detergent is $5.49. We have a $1.50 digital, dropping this guy down to $3.99. I know Walmart had a bunch of rebates for all, but I'm not sure if that carries over to Walgreens, so you might want to double, triple check with IBOTTA, possibly a better deal per VU. We also have the Scott for $3.75 with the $1.25 Walgreens coupon. If we're given another dollar digital, it would make it $2.75, which is a much better deal. I always love it when the paper towel and toilet paper, you can pair that deal together. So definitely be on the lookout for that one. And now we're going to look at some quick honorable mentions. First honorable mention that we have is the Nice Selected Nuts for $2.98. If the cashews are your thing, they have been including those bags. Cashews are very expensive right now for whatever reason, so $2.98 is definitely a stock up price. We also have a BOGO-free Haagen-Dazs drumsticks, Oreo, Nestle's. I'm wondering if there might be an IBOTTA rebate the closer that we get to Labor Day. Usually IBOTTA tends to really throw out some nice rebates, so maybe we can get this exceptionally cheap. And the Gillette and Venus razors, $10 reward when you buy 2. I'm very curious if that $3 digital will pop up for both of them. It didn't show up the week previous. In the flyer, there's also a bunch of coupon codes for 70% off of a canvas print, and there were some larger prints as well. So you might want to investigate that if you want to get a beautiful memory of your summer printed, put on canvas. It's the way to do it on the cheap. And the final honorable mention goes to a lot of the $1.99 Complete Home or Walgreens brand cleaners, bags, toilet papers. I think this stuff is very comparable to like Gain or Bounty or Charmin. Very, very similar. I love that ultra soft toilet paper. It is a favorite. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.